In this video, I will organize my test second drawer. This drawer looks even hopeless than the other one was. But I managed to make it better, at least I think so. So let's see how I did it this time. The process was mostly the same as other drawer. I took out the drawer and emptied it. There are things I don't use and some things I want to put somewhere else. Like these SJ cam cases. One I have used long time ago and the other is not even used. I also found my old iPod Touch Generation 3. It was my first touchscreen device. There are things that stayed at first. This time I didn't need to measure the drawer dimensions because I did it last time and drawers are same size. After many hours of measuring and thinking, I managed to make this design. Next thing was to start 3D printing. Base part I split into two parts and printed with Elegoo Neptune 4 Max. If you are interested in this printer, you can watch my review about it. Other parts I printed with Bambu Lab X1C. So I made a little mistake when designing third box. I didn't need the wall inside the box. Then I printed new one and I had some problem. It seems to be under extrusion caused by filament fitting issue. I printed new one with same filament and it came out okay, so this problem fixed itself. Then I started to fill the drawer and I ran into problem. Two of my adapters were too tall for this setup. I didn't have a good idea how to deal with it at the time and I continued filling the drawer. For the cables, I printed some different size bands. So, if you want something to 3D print, but you don't have a 3D printer, you can visit PCBWay.com. They are providing 3D printing service with lots of options to choose. They also make custom PCBs, CNC milling service and even more. Upload your files and start ordering. You definitely think, what crap is that, and you're right. That didn't came out as I wanted. This is my phone charger and I use it quite often, so I wanted some organizing thing where I don't need to separate cable and adapter. I came up with this idea. It did work, but I wasn't quite happy with it. Then I made simple box for two adapters which were too tall. It fits on the rails and can be slided side to side. The top cable box is also movable, so you can have access to the other cables. Then I tried different solutions. Still, it wasn't what I would like. Then I removed the first holder to try something else. This design went to the trash. Then I had even worse idea. I removed this version also, and I put it where all my good ideas are. At the front of the drawer I put different adapters and left one extra. These 3 boxes I made for chargers I use Mohr. Different cables. Bottom are ones I almost don't use at all, but I didn't want to throw them away. Maybe someday I need them. Adapters what didn't fit at the front of the drawer. If you think why I made boxes not in one piece with the base, it's because I can replace them if I want. It took me about 27 hours and 868 grams of filament to 3D print it. Earlier in this video I removed my charging thing and I did make new one, so I stopped overthinking and made this simple box. This simple box actually worked better than other designs, but if I came up with a better solution in the future, I can change it anytime. If you have ideas for my charger, you can comment below, and as always, thank you for watching.